Greetings everyone, I'm Roel Vincent Reyes from 3CPEA and I'm here to simulate my laboratory activity in microprocessors about DC motors and motor drivers. So let's start. So the objective of this laboratory is to control the speed and direction of DC motor, and these are the materials used in this laboratory and also the reference. So we have here three activities to accomplish. So let's start with the first activity. Create a program and circuit to control the speed of DC motor using potentiometer. Use LCD to display speed of motor in percentage. So we have here already Arduino code that we will be used in simulation in Proteus. So, pinagsama-sama ko na siya dito actually from activity 1 to activity 3. And ang gagawin na lang natin is, gagawin natin comment yung other activities kapag sinimulate natin every activity. So, unahin natin ang activity 1. So, i-comment muna natin itong activity 2 and activity 3. Ayan, so na-comment na natin yung activity 1, activity 2 and activity 3. So activity 1 ang matitira. Ayan. So we have here the code, setting the motor direction and speed, getting the potentiometer value for LCD display, and compile natin siya. Next, let's go to the Proteus file and then upload lang natin dito sa ating Proteus and then run po natin siya. So, ito yung gagamitin natin potentiometer. So, potentiometer 1. So, the motor speed is 1% and kita po natin umiikot naman yung ating potentiometer, DC motor using the potentiometer. So, increase natin yung motor speed 36. So medyo bumilis-bilis na yung kanyang pag-ikot. And then increase pa natin siya until 100. So ito yung max speed niya, 100%. Then ulit natin siya, babaan ulit natin para makita na bumabagal talaga siya. And then kapag 0, mag-off siya. So next, activity 2, create a program and circuit to control the speed using PWM of DC motor using momentary switch. Use LCD to display status speed of DC motor. It's either off, 1, 2, or 3. So, let's go to the code. So, i-comment muna natin tong activity 1 and then uncomment natin tong activity 2. So, comment muna natin tong activity 1 and then activity 3 din. Comment natin siya. Yan. So, we have here the code for activity 2. So setting the motor direction and speed for LCD display, and then for getting the switch state, and then for the counter. So let's compile this and simulate in our Proteus. Ayan, so run po natin. So ito po yung ating switch. Then lapit natin. Yan. So ito po yung ating switch. And kapag pinindot po natin siya, mag-on. Ayan. So motor speed 1 na po. And then another one. So second. So medyo bumibilis siya. And then third. Ayan. Yan na po yung maximum niya. And then another one. Off na naman po siya. So babalik po siya sa off. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, and then off. And for the last activity, activity 3, create a program and circuit to control speed from 0 to 1023 and direction clockwise, counterclockwise, and stop of DC motor using potentiometer each for direction and speed. Ayan, so let's go to the code again. And then uncomment natin tong 3 kasi ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon. And then i-comment natin tong activity 2. Ayan. So, for activity 3, we have here potentiometer 1 and potentiometer 2. So, yung unang potentiometer, it will be for the motor speed, and the second potentiometer is for the direction. Okay? So, kapag nasa gitna po yung potentiometer, which is 50%, so nakastop po siya. Kapag greater than 50%, clockwise po yung kanyang direction, and then if less than 50%, counterclockwise naman po siya. So, let's compile this. And then, simulate natin siya sa ating Arduino code. Upload muna natin. Okay. And then, up yan. Yan. Okay, simulate natin siya. Run. Okay, so makita natin dito sa LCD, motor speed, and then direction. Since yung potentiometer natin dito ay greater than 50, so makikita natin dito sa ating LCD, yung kanyang direction is clockwise. And then, kapag sinet natin siya sa 50, magi-stop siya. Okay. And then, kapag naman less than 50, counterclockwise na siya. So, try natin baguhin yung speed niya. Okay, yung speed niya, increase natin. Ayan, so 49 counterclockwise. Try natin gawing 50. Counterclockwise pa rin. Counter. Ayan, nakastop. Kasi naka 50% na siya. And then for clockwise, ayan, clockwise na siya. Clockwise direction na siya. So increase natin yung speed using this potentiometer. Ayan, kano na siya kabilis? 78%. So mabilis na yan. Babaan natin. 0 natin. So magi-stop siya. And then kapag 100, ayan. So that's all for our simulation. Thank you for watching and God bless.